Four common calculator mistakes. Number one, and it is the number one mistake, is using the wrong mode. You have two modes in your calculators, is degrees and radians. How do you know if you're on the correct mode? It's based on what the problem needs. On your TI-84 plus CE, it will tell you under degrees. If you need to change it, or if you have an older calculator, you can press the word mode. Everyone say mode? And then you should have the whatever you want highlighted. So if it gives you a radian and an angle measure in radians and you want to convert it to decimals, then you need to click on radian. But if you want it in degrees, then you press degrees. Okay? Number two, use the inverse trig keys to evaluate cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Okay? We learned about the three basic trig functions, SOHCAHTOA, right? Sine, cosine, tangent. But cotangent is actually not on your calculator. Okay, so today you're going to learn about the reciprocal identities that can help us so that we can get it to use sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay. The third one is use a function shorthand that the calculator doesn't recognize. I was trying to learn a math calculator trick from my other class, and I will show you the mistake I made. So what I wanted to do was 12 divided by x squared. 12 divided by x squared. Class, do you think that calculator reads it as 12 divided by x squared? Well, if I have x squared in there, and I go to table, the answer they're saying is always 12. So let's see if that works. If x equals 2, 2 times 2 is, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So why is the answer not 3? Well, the calculator is reading it as 12 divided by x, and then whatever your answer is, multiplied by x. And if you think about it, if I wrote it out, you're like, come on, Mr. Ng, we know what happens there. What happens to your x's there? It cancels, and it's always going to equal 12. So what do I need to use is an extra set of parentheses. So if I were doing this problem, 12 divided by x squared. Do you see that extra set of parentheses? Let's see what it tells us now. And that's correct. Not all the answers are 12 anymore. So use an extra set of parentheses, always. You can never use too many. And the last one is not closing the parentheses. So that's an open parentheses and that's a closed parentheses. So there are the four common calculator mistakes.